Hello you guys, we are back in this game from our last point. Okay. Let me adjust the volume a bit. Not too loud. Ooh, I'm scared. Bro, it's too loud already, fuck. Okay, where the fuck am I? So I fell down. I remember falling down. I'm so scared. Okay, saving. Wait, I do come from here, I think. I know. You can hear through walls and track sounds with your camera's microphone. Press RB to raise your camera. Ah. Wait, let me close this fucking window. So I feel safer. Oh!
There! Turn ye unto me. The newest of the fury of the Lord comes upon me. What was that?
What the fuck was that? I thought I died. What is that? Just run, bro.
Oh no.
They can't even see me.
Daddy, help.
It's like they're hypnotized.
Bro, I'm not gonna fucking read this shit. Fuck it.
Do you hate this world? And you know what God said? God said on the books, I am that I am, and that's all there is to it. We stand in opposition to the Antichrist. If we hope to be the
Come
we
on.
cannot only try to be
Oh, I forgot the
like
controls,
Jesus,
man.
we need to be like God. And now, God has sent us this woman.
Ah, Jessica. Lynn.
Like a rebellious angel from the sky. Take the gag off. God, I ask you, who is this outsider, this stranger, come into our midst?
Listen to me! Please, I cry!
He revealed himself, dead for nothing but lies. God's truth is here now. Come directly. God, I lay these hands on this dissembling sinner and ask that you reveal the truth. Pray with me, children.
They're gonna kill her, huh?
God, God, my hand.
Give me everything you own. Give me your lives.
God, God,
Give me your children.
God, 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 God,
Take me down.
What the fuck is going on in this game?
I don't need to know the way. Only to know that you do! I
Detest those.
Your child is one. She is rife with the Antichrist. The enemy waits in her womb.
Where do I have to go, man?
Oh, Babylon.
Shit!
Oh, the Satan, mother of harlots, and the horrors of
How
the
do I
earth.
light? Fuck this controls, man, of this game. Ah, here. Oh, fucking hell. I fucking knew it, man. I fucking knew it.
Oh, God.
Bro,
I've done everything you said.
where is the light again? The light, the lights.
We're good.
Ah. Hold to peek.
Get your fucking hands off me!
What are they saying? They're not talking.
Lynn!
Whoa, she escaped.
Damn it! Oh God, Blake!
Are you okay?
No,
What the fuck?
I don't know.
Run away, bitch.
We have to run. There.
Run, run, run.
Lynn, where are we going?
Away from here. Anywhere but here. Ah! Oh God!
What is it?
My stomach. It hurts. Something's wrong. Fuck.
Something's wrong with this bitch. I don't trust it. Like she's pregnant, I guess.
I have to stop. I need.
Wait. I have an idea.
Jesus Christ, Lynn! What's happening
I
here?
thought you were dead. When you fell, I thought we were all dead.
It's okay. I'm here. We're gonna get out of here, okay?
God,
What did they do to you?
I can't talk about it.
Children, I have news grave but
Please
lost.
don't ask me.
This evening, after all these
They're
years,
coming.
after all
They're coming.
They raped her, I guess.
has prove it. The woman who came to Temple Gate this day from the outside world brought with her the foul birth we've been awaiting all this time. She hasn't died. What? I performed the examination
I don't know.
myself. And
He's
it is
insane.
empirically
They're all fucking
true.
insane.
The devil
Please,
is
Blake, I
in
just
her
want to get
belly.
out of here.
And she is among us. As is the
fuck
young
is
man
going on?
who spilled his
I
seed
can't.
into that
Not now.
revolting vessel. Find the
Let's just
children.
get away from this place.
Kill them.
Okay.
Soak the earth with their blood. Rip the devil from her belly and crush it beneath your boat hail.
That's his own.
Revelation is upon us,
Stay back!
and we must, like angels, show no
Swear to fucking Christ, the first person who touches me loses their eyes. God, no!
God.
No!
God wants the child. God wants the child.
Get off me! Get off me!
God wants
Lynn! Lynn! No, you
No!
Oh, they're gonna kill him.
you motherfuckers! Get
No!
off me! You leave her alone! Leave her alone! Lynn! Lynn! Fuck you!
Is somebody helping us?
I've watched my father fuck your God to death.
Blake! Blake!
Hush.
Lynn, no! Wait! No, wait! Don't!
There you go.
No! No! Oh! For fuck's sake! Shit!
Take her home. I want to share my love with the Father.
Motherfucker!
No idea what's going on.
God doesn't love you. Not like I do.
Princess faggot
Yes,
over here.
my love. We have, Mother. I think I'll see you again.
Oh shit! Lynn!
She's dead?
Lynn!
Oh, fuck.
Jesus. Jesus, God.
No, she's not dead.
Fuck were they? Called them heretics. They called Lynn Mother. It's not just a cult. It's two sides. Christians and something else.
Hey.
Oh, come on.
Thou art barren, and perish not, but thou shalt conceive.
Was I going the wrong way? Let me just relax for a second, you know? Let me just relax for a second. I'm gonna... Okay, camera. No. How do I check the... How do I check the shits in the camera? Ah! No. Uh-oh.
us, who pour like transgressions of
Unbelievable.
I am the Christ screams.
They're still following me, the faggots? Bro, I'm so fucking lost now. I suck so hard in this game. Starts? No. Ah. Okay, time to read. Dear sweet Ellie, here. Dear Father, our loving God continues to bless me with visions, and I know more certain than that the enemy is... I already read this. Ah, here, the baby's coming. Dead children. Here. Please try to be strong as you can. Papa tells us at every service that God remembers our sins and our dreams. If you want to get right with God, blah blah blah. Bullshit.
It's enormous. Some sort of hillbilly Vatican. How could all of this have been here and nobody knows about it? It's not possible.
I'm not gonna read all this shit, man. This is like garbage. As you get Papa Nut's ear, I'm asking Paul. So Paul is... Ruth is asking Paul. Papa Nut's ear, I'm asking to tell him a worrisome story that I hope he has only fears. The chief among his deacons, Val, came to me before sunrise this morning and offered that was not for his... Somebody offering something stupid and sexual in nature, but... My friend told her I would not accept any such environment. I do not care, this is bullshit. Interesting. Okay, now we play the game. They're gonna scare me again, huh? This fucking game is gonna scare me again, I fucking know it.
What the hell? I'm dreaming. I'm out of my fucking mind. There's no picture. Just noise, but I saw it. I know I saw it. I'm sorry I have to do this. You should have loved me. You should have helped me. Jesus, forgive me. I don't know what to do. I'm so sorry, Jessica. I remember this. Jessica? And Lynn.
Wait, who
When we were...
Who the hell is Lynn again?
Oh, fuck. Back in the 4th grade. And here I thought this couldn't get any worse.
Hide? Why do I need to hide, man? Fuck. Oh, there's somebody there. Come here, you bastard. I'm not. Fuck this game, bro. Get out. Uh-oh.
You're him, ain't you? The outsider.
Who's gonna help me?
Thought they killed you, didn't they?
No. Not yet.
Well, they'll do it if they find you out here. Come on.
Who are you?
My name's Ethan.
But I mean, are you one of them? And which side are you on?
I mean, why ain't I trying to kill you? I've been unborn. Seen too much to keep the faith.
But you're not one of those other ones. The heretics.
Didn't say squat when my wife got skull. Had to get cast out. Didn't complain when nah. Pressed himself on my Anna Lee. And she not but 15.
I'm sorry.
When he sent my grandson, baby he put in her, was like the Antichrist, and I had to slit her belly and kill the child. I gave her a chance to run. Spun them idiots some stories. I've been gifted with talk my whole life. You probably noticed.
Jane Doe.
Sorry?
Your daughter. She was 8 months pregnant. Blonde hair, cut like a boy's.
Yeah. What do you know? You seen her?
It's why we came here.
Is she all right? Please, Commissioner, just tell me she's okay.
She's fine.
Oh, thank God.
Oh, he's gonna die, yeah?
God, and God bless you.
I feel like he's gonna die.
Come on, get you inside.
Well,
Oh, hey there. You really busted your head open, didn't you?
I'll be okay.
Why'd you head down the roof, Star? I'll bed down there. You can hide till you're fixed up.
yeah, he's gonna die, definitely.
It's all right. You just relax here. I'll keep you safe. You rest up and heal. Ethan's gonna treat you right.
Okay, saved.
Please wait. Where are you?
That's enough for today.
I'm scared. He's coming. He's here! No! Get away!
I ain't hiding nothing.
Righteousness cannot pass in blood by loins, but the blood of your heart.
I can't Papa's gospel.
I knew he was
I've
gonna
met him
die.
100 times. If I knew where the outsider was,
Prophet don't need your help in finding the devil's whore and interrupt me. Not questions even now other heretics at chapel. God will guide.
ain't I hurt? Oh, God!
You You sinned when you denied the prophet your daughter. You've sinned since to deny.
Please just let me talk to now.
Nowhere the outsider is. His seed begat the enemy. God and the prophet both want
Just
his
let me talk to
blood.
now. I can explain.
God don't hear dead men. Be still.
That's a woman. That's a woman, bro.
Take your penance. God loves you. God loves you.
Can I help him? Guess not.
Dynamite's the devil.
I hope you find your daughter.
Who said that? Okay, did they leave so I can get out? Come on, tear off wood plank there. Here.
You didn't give me up to her. Not even though she... Thank you.
Thank you, yeah. That's it. Okay, let's see what we got over here. Nothing. Fucking nothing. No battery, no shits. You gotta tell Papa that Anna Lee was sick and that's the truth. She's gone to live with her mama and the rest of the skull calls. She was horribly afflicted, blah 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 blah. Whatever, who cares? Okay, that's enough. That's enough for today. Close game, save and exit.